Okay guys, we're on day 2 of the shower pan. Yesterday we decided not to do any of the mud work or the backer board along the edges because we had to replace the flange. It was a mess. The bolts in it were corroded and missing one, so we just went ahead and replaced it. So it kind of put us in a delay yesterday. So we decided to just put the pan in, let the caulk dry around the flange. Now what this is right here is basically, it's for a test. It basically stops the water from entering into the drain system so we can fill this thing up with water. So I'm gonna put this down in here. I want to get that down in there pretty good. We don't want it to, we want the water to remain in here. Okay, we leave that in there. We've already got our water. So here's the real test, you know. We're gonna fill this thing up with water. That right there is about 4.5 gallons. We're gonna put a little bit more in there. We're gonna make sure we got some water pressure, and then it's gonna hold it just like a bathtub. Okay? We'll probably let this thing sit for probably about 5 minutes, and we're gonna go under the bottom because they've already cut out the sheetrock, you know, I guess about 2 weeks ago when they had the leak. So it gives us access to look up under there to make sure that we're not leaking. And then when we finish with this test, we'll pull that plug and then we'll be able to see the water flow into the drain since we've got the pre-slope on the pan. So, and then we also check, make sure all the connections on the plumbing are good as well, because once you start mudding this in and tiling it, you don't want to have to take it back out. So right now it's holding. If you'll take a look at it, it's holding really well. This is how we test our pans. Now we haven't completed all this yet, but we didn't need to. We'll finish up all the curb, make it nice and neat here, and fold everything really nice. We're also going to put what's called a boot right here. See, and it'll be nice and neat and sealed off where no water can get down in that area. So we're going to run downstairs and we're going to take a look at that as well. We'll show you that and make sure we don't have any leaks.